Question 16. Eunice set up an experiment as shown below. She placed her bar magnet with a south pole close to each different objects at points X and Z. The table below describes her observation. So she used this bar magnet here with the north and south. She uses the south pole and place it at each ends of M, N, P and Q. Okay, so the different ends X and Z. So she tested all 4 objects M, N, P and Q. And what is the result? Okay, for object M, south pole and X is attracted, south pole and Z is attracted. For object N, both the south pole of X and Z is not attracted. Okay, for P, for south pole and X it repelled, and south pole and Z it attracted. And for Q, south pole and X attracted, south pole and Z repelled. Now the question, which one of the following would correctly describe the materials that each object was made up of? Now, the first thing we look at is the word repel. Why? You might ask me why. Well, because repel means that a particular object tested is a magnet. Because from what we learned, okay, only a magnet can repel another magnet. So we know that P and Q are actually magnets. Okay, P and Q are actually magnets. So let's take a look at P and Q. Okay, for option 1, P and Q is iron and steel, whereas N is magnet. As you can see here, N is not attracted at all. So N cannot be a magnet. Therefore, option 1 is out. Option 2, okay, nickel is attracted on both ends, whereas plastic is not attracted on both ends. And for the rest, P and Q is both magnets. So option 2 is a possible answer. But let's take a look at option 3. Iron, attracted, possible. Wood, not attracted, which is also possible. Option 3, repelled and attracted, magnet, is possible. Option 4, attracted, repelled, copper, is not possible, because only a magnet can repel another magnet. So Q must be a magnet. So option 3 is also out. Option 4 again says that P and Q are steel and aluminum. So option 4 is also out. And that leaves us with one option, which is option 2, which is the answer. Okay, M is nickel, which is attracted by both ends of the south pole. N is plastic, which is not attracted on both ends. P is a magnet which repel on one end and attracted on the other end. And Q is also a magnet which is attracted on one end and repelled on the other end. So answer is 2.